That's very good. Oh, that is darn good. Oh no. Oh no. It is darn good. That's a good boy. I like eating out of the trash can lid. You got a whole pile of hay, but it just tastes better. Just tastes better in the trash can lid for some reason. I don't know why. It just does. I know I love you too. I know I love you too. Yes, I do. I want to hang all over you. You're like my buddy. I'll just hug you. I'll just hug you. I'll just hug you. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. Alright, I need my trash can lid back, please. Can I have it? Oh, okay, thanks. Alright, that's pretty. I think you've got it. That's pretty good, don't you think? Alright, thank you so much. That's good, thank you. Go back to your regular meal. There. See you later.